Yo guys, what is up? What's going on? So I just got this box in the mail, this package. I actually got two of these boxes, and what's inside of them is something that we're going to be doing on an upcoming project on my WRX. So I've got them here. They're from a company called Noico Solutions, and they sent me these out to install on the WRX, and as you can probably read here, they're car sound deadening material. So these boxes each contain the 80 mil sound deadening material, and there's 36 square feet of each, which is a lot. So I've got two boxes of this, and we're gonna open it up. Let's just do a quick unboxing and see what it looks like inside. So here's the instructions. Some of the materials that you're gonna need. As you can see, the instructions are really showing it installed on the doors of your vehicle. I've seen a few other YouTubers do installs of this kind of material. I know Mark over on Last Human's Garage actually used the exact same stuff on his WRX, and he seemed to really like it. His reviews of it were pretty good. So yeah, here's what it looks like. This is like the reflective kind, and it's pretty heavy. I don't know how much exactly it weighs, but it's not that bad. So that's what it looks like. Pretty basic. It's I think it comes in, so there's 3 sheets here, and then I'm gonna assume maybe 3 more sheets, maybe 9 sheets underneath. Yeah, so there's 9 really big sheets of this stuff. And I've read online that the edges are quite sharp, so you want to wear gloves and be careful when installing it. But the plan is to put this stuff on the WRX. We're actually going to do the doors all in here, and possibly some of the footwell area where kind of the wheel wells are, maybe. Then we're gonna do the entire rear deck up here, and underneath these seats across, of course, these doors, and then the entire trunk. We're gonna do the top of the trunk and the inside, and then the underside. And I do have the 10-inch 1000-watt subwoofer in there, so I'm really expecting that it's gonna help with some of the vibrations and rattles that I get with having the subwoofer, but also just for road noise and just ride comfort, I guess, because right now the WRX is a pretty loud car, and after driving it for quite a few years now, it's just gotten pretty loud. Like over time, some of the rattles and the squeaks and stuff like that, which is kind of expected from a Subaru, have gotten worse. So I'm gonna be installing all this sound deadening. We're gonna do a project series install on this, the doors, the rear deck, and the trunk. I'm gonna show you guys how it's done and kind of tell you what the differences are. I'm really excited to do this. It's gonna be pretty sweet because I do quite a bit of driving, as you can tell by the amount of kilometers on the car. And just driving out on the highways is probably the most, like the noisiest drives, because there's just so much road noise, especially in the winter on these winter tires, because even though it's winter, the roads often end up, you know, bare, so you're still driving on pavement, which is quite loud. So yeah, we'll see how this is. I've got 2 boxes, like I said, and we're gonna be doing the installs in the next month or so stay tuned for that. So stay tuned for these videos, guys. It's gonna be a pretty sweet project we're gonna do on the WRX. I'm excited to share with you guys my thoughts and see how much quieter I can make the WRX while driving. I don't particularly get any drone from the exhaust, but it's just the road noise of the tires rotating, going like 100 kilometers on the highway when I'm driving up to the mountains and stuff like that. Even in the summer, it gets pretty loud. I know there is the argument, and that some people will say you're adding extra weight, and you know that might be counterproductive if you're wanting to autocross or race your car, but in actuality, and to be completely honest with myself about it, I'm never gonna be that competitive with the WRX. I'm never gonna be that professional or take this to the next level of being a full-time race car by any means. It's still my daily driver, you know, by the amount of kilometers I have on it, I drive it every day. So having a little bit more comfort over, you know, doing a few autocross events in the summer for fun is a trade that I'm willing to make. So as always, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you're having a great day or night, whatever it is where you are.